Supports up to 8 pounds. Repositionable locking lever for most comfortable use. New ergonomic design. New friction control for better control. Quick release system features a new style secondary lock. Supports up to 8 pounds. Repositionable locking lever for most comfortable use. New ergonomic design. New friction control for better control. Quick release system features a new style secondary lock. Top reviews from the United States. My first move up to more advanced tripod and head. I chose this after looking at various models in retail outlets based on two factors: could it hold my camera safely and strongly, and price. Having passed the first test, it then became down to what I could afford rather than what I would like. Choice made this head as steady, feels weighty and solid locking when camera is in position. As with all things camera related, a bit overpriced. I have used a Nikon DSLR with mid-range telephoto and the head holds this steady as a rock. Friction control setup for ball head takes a bit tweaking, but nothing you can't work out once in use. The quick release is great and has the added advantage of having to move two levers to release the camera safety point in the case when hitting one accidentally and the camera falls off. Reatching the camera is great. The quick lock snaps nice and positive, mind you. You have to try it a few times before you believe how good it is. In all, I choose this head as I could afford it against others. I looked at it, does the job it is meant to my satisfaction, good quality, and should last me a long time.